What's going on, guys? Today we are changing out the cabin filter in a 2015 Lexus is250. Okay, it's going to be located in the glove box. Open up the glove box. See that plastic panel back there? We're going to need to take that off. First, we need to lift this tray up and slide it out. And this door opens up. Pushing these tabs up. We're gonna take this door off here, push this tab in, pull towards us. Same thing on this side. Push in, look towards us. We're gonna pull this whole thing out. Alright. So here we got the filter. So take it out of here. Alright. Notice how we have an arrow right here. This is going to be the airflow direction. You can see it says up here. So we're going to take this out. Right here says airflow direction. We're going to turn this over this way. Stick it in the holder. Push it here all the way. Yep. Slide it back in here. Get the cover. Pop it back on. Snap, snap. Okay. Now, if you need a filter, I'm going to leave the part number, a link down in the description box if you need one. So check that out. I'm going to put this tray back in. It just sits in like that, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.